Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Raza from Tech Pro, and in today's video I'm going to be unboxing a mic from Deity. So with that, let's get started. So guys, in the box it looks like it comes with the microphone itself, the fox for windshield, carrying pouch, foam windscreen, and the microphone tie clips. And let's see what we got in here. So alright guys, so it looks like we got a case in here, and we got some manual, and I think this is the warranty card. Put that to a side. So let's see what's in the case. Alright, so the mic itself. Yeah, it's a pretty nice mic. Comes with a cleaning cloth. Alright, and here's the mic first. So alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and plug this mic in, and then we'll do a quick sound quality test. Alright guys, so now the mic is plugged in, and just testing the sound quality. So what do you guys think? Please let me know with your comments down below. Hey guys, so if you're interested in picking one of these up, I'll go ahead and leave the link down below in the description. I did get this from Amazon for $39.99. So guys, if you enjoyed watching this video of the unboxing, please remember to hit the like button, and don't forget to leave your comments down below. As always, thanks for watching. See you on the next one.